Edit tool lets you tweak any thumbnail without starting from scratch. Perfect for stealing like an artist or making small fixes, and there are two main ways to use it. First is to upload your own thumbnail. Head over to Edit, click Upload or Link, and input any thumbnail you want to modify. Second is to edit any Pexels generated thumbnail. After generating a thumbnail inside Pexels, just click this icon to open it in the editor. Once you're in, you've got two ways to request edits. First is prompt-based edits. Just type in what you want changed, like remove the text or add fire in the background, change the t-shirt to red. Great for general improvements or simple changes. Or you can make manual edits. Use the brush or rectangle tools to highlight the exact area you want to edit. And then describe what needs to be done, like fixing an imperfection, changing a logo, or removing something. This will give you the highest level of precision. Oh, and you'll see the face swap feature inside the editor as well. You can check out our dedicated tutorial for all nuances and tips. And of course, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to open a support ticket. We are always happy to help.